The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point rewlak. Just wow. Ka Data Yuk Society, haringkat ka jengete lang baka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, ka You Matter Multipurpose Cooperative Society, baka Works Impact, haka pratrik nailan aja upon rio, kalalum lalangi ki influencer ki baju sutanat ban penbernyai ki Paidbah nong pendan kami ak social media daki sap ki phang baki dan katkom ka jinglong jingman jong ka juk menta haki babun ki phang bat ki rukom kidan kumba hapo lai phongot ki influencer ki baka Data Yuk Society kala pensyai bat Pynsngewthuh syapang ka cybercrime khanang bakin dubla ban pensyai khamba syaki Paidbah bakin dub tip yaki jingja ba pher syapang ka cybercrime hakani ka sngi la sakhilang do MLA barim karambrai uba afkemfa es marbanyang ublalong kum kongsan unong aktin ga BGP uba M khakrang ublalong kum usumbut kongsan ngilayolat banyakeren pakasamla riyaka surong kabadi ka counseling physiologist but ka founder and chairman jong ka You Matter Multipurpose Cooperative Society kabala batay ka jingthmu halor ka ni ka jinglum jinglang yaki influencer hakani ka sngi.
I take this opportunity to to impress upon you, apart from like influencing a lot of things, politics or whatever. I think so we also need our social responsibility also to influence the people and how to use social media, which is very important. Social media is good, and but it depends on how. We have to know how to use it, and since a lot of influencers are here, if you want to influence, please influence what is right and what is the truth. Please do not influence people with certain things which are false, because now you can do anything. With AI you can actually do any damn thing. You can make Trump stand here and speaking to you also for that matter. And of course I remember just few years back it had come up like that, where Trump had congratulated particular political party and people believed it. And it's not that people, maybe you will not believe it, but other people believed it. So please be careful, and as social influencers, also please take upon yourself the social responsibility of also teaching people and how to use it.
For the Data Yuk Society in creating awareness on cybercrime and cyber safety, digital literacy, online fraud prevention, and responsible use of social media. The work among schools, colleges, and community is making a real difference in empowering people across Meghalaya. This event is especially impactful for Meghalaya as it strengthens digital awareness among our youths and communities, helping build a safer and more informed digital society. To all the influencers present here, remember that your voice has the power to inspire and create positive change. Use your platform responsibly to spread awareness, positivity, and truth. I congratulate all the organizers once again and wish Data Yuk Society continued success in the future initiative. I also wish this influencer be a grand success.
Riyaka Varma Surong, but ngari na You Matter, ngari counseling psychologist, and the founder but chairman jong ka You Matter Multipurpose Cooperative Society. But mga ka social media am kalong kaway ka lahat mo bagi pila influences bunki kamay nagkaru kumangi somehow we ngile himo ka social media, but at the same time pag ngisyo ko aban batay kanya ki viewers ki jong iba ka social media ka laro penilang bakla namal ba kipon ha kini scams that's happening mo right now hapo ka ha shilong jing ini habar all over the world kini tingish ko aban ay ki kaway ka longkum ka Much about the social media as a whole. I'd just like to talk about, because Menoka will be talking about why we're hosting this event as a whole. So I'd just like to mention a little bit about mental health, why we're doing this. See, most of our social media creators also, they go through mental health issues, and so we just want to make them aware that apart from their being in the profile or who they are in social media, they are a person behind the cameras. So we just want to make them aware that if they have any issues that they are facing, we're here to help them as the organization of UMATA, being psychologists as well. So we're there to help, and that everybody they matters when it comes to who they actually are as a person. So we just want to remind them that they not just influencers, but they are human being at the end of the day, and they might face depression or any other mental health issues. So we're here to just remind them that it's okay to just be who they are. That's why we're doing this. I just want to say this, that don't believe everything that's there in social media. It is a way of means of earning, and also a way of entertainment. But yes, we just have to be careful, and Menoka will talk more about it. But all I want to say is from our team that please be careful of the scams that's happening right now in social media. Be careful and just have that boundary of whom you're trusting online. Thank you.
Byrnihat ne Byrnihat. What karukom thoru kalaya pair. Ka Byrnihat batho du wai ka don ha Meghalaya. Henry ka Byrnihat batho du Yupat ka don ha Assam. Ka wei ka Nongba. Henry lapia Arliang du Port Assam chunki jilla. House name Arhajar Arpusau. Ka kai pot jaka birthday ka lapinmi ka kerteng jaka Byrnihat ha kamat e. Henry ya ka kubo jaka jingshisha bonsin la klet but omshim la ban pin pao.
Nama ime de la slam de la don hi jaga sanpo kumbangi kinong shong iti bi ba ka berni ka hap lang bat ka border Assam himdi ban ong ba kal air ka wan be tang na Assam ye tang na Meghalaya kalong hap reng mo ba ka hap lang ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam border
ki karkhana badon hagani ka nong baru ki long ki bala benta hapdeng arjela ka jingyar ka long kumba 100 square kilometer na pedeng gani 8.2 square kilometer the hab hapo Ripoi district ha Meghalaya kat ba lai point khat lai square kilometer ka basa ka hab hapo ka Kamrup metropolitan district ha Assam banpin bet ye kamat jong ka jinglong jingman jong ka leer ka Meghalaya state pollution control board kadang pet ngon man la ka por ka CEA QMS continuous ambient air quality monitoring station but ka manual monitoring station ki pet patho ya ka jinglong jingman jokal air klem sange
kadero kabajan bahabat ka border Assam tanglai 100 kilometer e ngidon ber ka border Assam kajing ye per jongkal air kala don sibun kala duna sibun kala kham khoj kala kham pangat nang takini kiding kisi ru dangi pet menta ber kipor ki ba mensua em kala ya per sibun kila terngam ba ka pollution ta kadan ba sisin ba kila don ki factory mo ya tangim la balen re ban ang hadu ba kandak ta hadu kata-kata ko makimi kini dia long ngi tengim lar ban ya menjur
hakador ba jong ka ying dor ba thau an mentri rangba ka chila ong bo la tho mentri rangba ka Assam ban thau ye ka joint committee
यहाँ का जो रियल फैक्ट है जो मतलब मेन पोल्यूशन था जो फैक्ट्री था पहला मतलब रहने का मुश्किल हो गया था यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ने भी बीच में बहुत सारा फैक्ट्री शट डाउन कर दिया लेकिन पहला से बहुत अभी थोड़ा रिलीफ है शांति है रहने के लिए
kal air ka bayat kam sange haupo Assam Henry ban ong ba Byrnihat Meghalaya ka de ka nong ba ka ba jabo tam ka penyalam bakla ye kibreo